Alright guys, Tyler from Wide Open Throttle with the beater Honda behind me. You do not want to miss this episode. It is hilarious. Alright guys, here we go. Alright guys, Tyler here from Wide Open Throttle Garage. At it again. If you've seen this one before, you know it's from our $100 Field Kana 1 and 2. It's a hatchback. I spent $100 and saved it from a field. Put a timing belt on it because the mice have ate it out. And now we just do crazy crap with it. Speaking of crazy crap, if you've seen BOOSTEDBOIZ and PFI Speed's channel with Brent, they made a crazy kart. And they sent out a little challenge saying, hey, we want to make a league. Get people to build these and then we'll race them. So I'm down for it. I got my $100, best $100 ever spent on a car right there. And we're going to crazy kart it. That's correct. We will crazy kart it. This is for you, BOOSTEDBOIZ and Brent from PFI Speed. Yes. Let's get it done. Maybe one day we can meet up and smash the crap out of them. Mine's already taking a toll. Look at that right there. The hit right there. It's already like that when I got it. And the Bondo. Go check out the other videos. You'll understand what this car's been through. Alright guys, just creeping around. Look what we have. Dolly wheels. With solid rubber bolted onto a 1/4 inch plate. So I am scientifically sciencing the distance and how much we need to fill with this plate to the lower subframe. Because the goal is to keep the wheels on to make it look stock. And then be able to have it just tall enough so you can sit there and spin around and you can take it off and you can drive the car. So let me flip you around and show you. So you're getting all scientific here. I'm going to measure the distance from the bottom of the tires to that piece there. Work on cleaning off all the undercoating there. Up here, probably in here for support straps. And see what we can weld on over there by the gas tank without blowing up. Update. Wheels are mounted. I'll show you. Got a buddy helping me out. We're going to ratchet strap the suspension up to make sure it does clear the wheels for all the fun. So we can leave the wheels on, make it look like it's stock and there's nothing there. So let me show you what's happening. Alright, we're on the ground. We're rolling. This is real science here. Let me show you what I did. Okay, there's bolts screwed through the hole, front and back. They're bolted onto a plate, drill holes in the plate, put wood in for a spacer. So let's see if it rolls. Alright, the real moment of truth. How do I actually get it outside of the garage? I should have pulled it in backwards to roll it outside so I can do some donuts out here with it. But I don't know. We'll see if I can push it, get it to roll right. And then I'll set up the camera, since all my help's gone now, to do a little filming of the spinach. So hopefully this works, guys. This is for you, Kyle and Brent. Alright guys, here we go. Let's do this. Hopefully this works. I'm by myself. We'll see what goes wrong. I'll try to spin out here. Hopefully we can see it. And I'll turn on the GoPro. round two. Let's see if we can get it going. Alright guys, I'm spilling coolant or fuel or something. The wheels are holding up great. I hit that curb almost. There's whatever I'm spilling. I'm not sure what it is, but it's coming out from underneath here. There you go guys. Success. Yes. That was awesome. I wish I had my other people here with me, my brother and Sharky, but they will be back and we are going to let it rip. Tater chip. Alright guys, this is for you, Boosted Boys and PFI Speed Brent. I'm ready. When you're ready to race, let's do this. I know PFI Speed has some stuff going on, some shop movement happening, but I'll be ready when you're ready. Our wheels are holding up great. They are awesome for this little Honda. So man, $100 is the best $100 I've ever spent. Alright guys, I know this isn't my traditional stuff, but I thought it'd be hilarious to do, and it's been fun. And I'm having fun just ripping it. You haven't even seen me a couple times on video. I'm just sitting there spinning around in the middle of the highway having fun. Okay guys, again, thanks for tuning into this edition of Wide Open Throttle. As you heard, straight header. We don't even care. We're just rocking it and flooring it and living the sweet life in our beater Hondas. Okay guys, make sure you like and subscribe. Till next time.